Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the 3D oscillator indicator for MT4 and MT5. This is a custom momentum oscillator that plots a dynamic line in a separate window to help highlight when price swings may be overstretched in either direction. In this video, you will see how the 3D oscillator appears on the chart, how its signals are displayed, and which inputs you can adjust. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. We have it over here. We're just going to, all right. So we have it installed on the chart and you can see how it looks. It's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the 3D oscillator appears in its own sub-window below price as a wave-like line that moves up and down within a bounded range. The line tends to rise during stronger upward pushes in price and fall during weaker or declining phases, visually separating stronger momentum from quieter conditions. When the oscillator line reaches relatively extreme areas on the upper or lower side of its range, it implies that price may be extended and traders may watch more closely for potential pauses or reversals. As for the settings, let's take a look at what settings we have. The inputs. The period setting controls how many recent bars are included in the oscillator calculation, influencing how smoothly or quickly the line responds to price changes. Smoothing or averaging parameters, where available, determine the level of noise reduction applied to the raw calculation, helping traders choose between a more responsive or more stable line. Visual style options let you adjust the line color, thickness, and levels so you can align the display with your existing templates and highlight any key zones you want to watch. As for who this indicator is for, the 3D oscillator is suited to traders who prefer to see an additional momentum layer beneath price, whether they are scalping lower time frames or analyzing broader market swings. It is a visual analysis tool only, does not execute trades, and like all oscillators, can produce misleading impressions in strongly trending markets or when used without supporting confirmation from price action or other indicators. You can get the 3D oscillator indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This tool can provide a compact way to monitor momentum shifts alongside your main price charts. If you find oscillator-based tools useful, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.